And there's schools of thought on this as to whether all the data in the table needs to also have a narrative describing the table.
Exactly.
And so what are your views in that regard as to how much narrative should overlap what the data actually shows, or should it just be referenced to the table and the reader needs to make the data extrapolations themselves?
Again, probably a balancing act of trying to find enough there that one can interpret it, to make sure you can interpret it without going on and on where you're saying, oh, we don't need the table anymore.
Mm-hmm.
You just told us everything. Because sometimes tables show nice patterns beyond even what you've talked about, or which you as an author have thought about talking about, that a reader could see, which is kind of neat too. These days we have the benefit too, with electronic publication, that we can often have backups or have more data available for those that are more interested. We didn't have that luxury years ago.
So you have supplemental information that can be submitted as well.
That's right, supplementary information, and more journals are getting to the point where they'll accept that, because they realize it doesn't really. Yes, it has some costs in terms of getting it in the system and making sure that that there aren't any errors introduced from what the author submitted, and that sort of thing. But other than that, there isn't the cost of paper. There isn't the cost of.
Okay.